here today at K-Line Trailers in Langley, BC, doing a quick demonstration of the power and effectiveness of Klondike's low VOC brake parts cleaner. As you can see here, we have some used brake drums, brake pads, quite considerably gummed up with material. And one of the leading features of the ultra-low VOC brake blast is the specialized spray tip. So this delivers a powerful blast of cleaning chemical onto the parts that need to be cleaned. As you can see here, even from a foot or two away, you get a specific and penetrating blast of cleaning chemical, and you can see there the material coming off quite easily. This is in comparison to some other leading brands in the market, where the spray pattern is considerably weaker. So the actual penetration onto the surface that needs to be cleaned, you need to use a lot more volume of product to get any cleaning action. You don't get a strong penetrating spray. So in comparison, the Klondike product delivers a powerful blast of cleaning chemical. Here's another product in market. As you can see, it's a very fine mist of spray as opposed to a penetrating direct blast. And this is nowhere near as effective to clean dirty parts. The after effects of the test show that the brake pad on the left has significantly more material removed, debris removed. The brake pad on the right, significantly less, showing how effective the Klondike brake blast is, at least 2 times the effectiveness in the market. The ultra-low VOC brake parts cleaner is compliant in Canada and 50 US states, so it's a very versatile product across multi-jurisdictions and is the best product that we have in market today.